How does TrueDoor Property Management handle maintenance and repairs? Typically, the biggest expense on your rental property besides the mortgage is the maintenance and repairs. Successful property owners keep the property in working condition and respond quickly to necessary maintenance needs. TrueDoor strives to keep your maintenance costs as low as possible and provide high quality work. Using properly insured and licensed workers lowers the property owner's risk and ensures the work is completed correctly. Remember, cheap and poor work is never worth paying for. So in this video, I want to discuss a couple different things: tenant maintenance requests, emergencies, essential versus non-essential maintenance requests, general pricing, and home warranties. When a tenant has a maintenance issue, your resident can call our maintenance hotline anytime and speak to a live person. Each request creates a work order in our system. You can view all of your work orders in your online owner portal. When a necessary repair is under the $400 maintenance limit, we automatically move forward to fix the item. We will email you to inform you that the repair is being scheduled. So feel free to call us if you have a question about a scheduled repair. Items over the $400 limit will require your approval, except in the case of emergencies. So how do we handle emergencies? There are habitability laws in the state of California that require landlords to maintain the rental in a habitable condition. Items such as heat, water, sewage, electricity, necessary appliances, and safety issues require immediate attention. Our maintenance system is set up to immediately address emergency needs that occur inside and outside of our business hours. The goal is to do the repair quickly to protect your property and to protect you from legal liability and to keep your tenant happy. Please note, we do not have a dollar limit for approval of emergencies. We just move forward with the work without any approval. We also try to protect you from habitability issues that require a rent reimbursement to the tenant. If there is a repair that affects habitability, then every day that we do not get the work done, you may have to give a rent credit back to the tenant. For all emergencies, we'll contact you the next business day to discuss this work order. Successful property owners address items that are essential to the functionality and usability of the property. Essential maintenance needs to be completed in a timely manner. And please note that if your rental was leased with certain appliances or amenities, that they are required to be in operable condition throughout the term of the lease agreement. Non-essential requests from tenants, such as cosmetic items, are not a priority and will be submitted for your review and approval. For general maintenance, labor costs are constantly changing, but are typically between $75 to $150 an hour, depending on the trade, skill level, and if it's after hours, plus the cost of materials. Charges may be more for HVAC, skilled plumbing, electrical. Please keep in mind that we bill for the total time it takes to get the job completed, including but not limited to trips to the supply store, haul away of old parts, haul away of trash, materials, etc. We retain highly qualified technicians to complete the work, and we are confident that the work will be done in a timely fashion. All repairs to the property are charged to the property owner and taken out of the rent. And any repairs that are the fault of the tenant, typically local clogs, are first paid by the property owner and then charged back to the tenant. So does your property have a home warranty? If you have a home warranty insurance policy, we will coordinate between the tenant and your home warranty company. Just provide us your contract or policy number, and if possible, we want online access so we can submit our requests online to save some time. Please understand that home warranty companies often do not cover all of the repairs, and wait times can be very, very long, sometimes over an hour, and we can't ensure that the work is done well. So unfortunately, our procedures do not allow us to use your home warranty for emergencies or for after hours maintenance requests. So if you are trying to decide whether to pay for a home warranty, we do recommend you keep your money and not buy a home warranty. And that is how TrueDoor Property Management handles maintenance and repairs on your rental property.